From pit to peach, grow your own peach tree from seed. Ever dreamed of biting into a juicy, homegrown peach, knowing you nurtured it from a tiny seed? It's more achievable than you think. Join us as we unlock the secrets to growing your very own peach tree right from a simple peach pit. The first step to peach growing success starts with the perfect peach. Choose a ripe, delicious peach from your local farmer's market or grocery store. The better the peach, the better the potential for your future tree. Now for the fun part. Enjoy that delicious peach. Savor every bite, knowing you're one step closer to growing your own. Once you've finished, carefully remove the pit from the remaining flesh. Next, it's crucial to thoroughly clean the pit. Remove any lingering bits of peach flesh. This step is vital because any remaining flesh can attract mold and hinder the germination process. Cleaning the pit thoroughly is key to preventing mold and ensuring a healthy start for your peach tree. A clean pit is a happy pit, ready for its winter slumber. Now, let's mimic winter. This process, called cold stratification, is essential for breaking the pit's dormancy. It tricks the seed into thinking it has gone through a winter, preparing it for spring growth. Wrap the clean peach pit in a damp paper towel. Make sure the paper towel is moist, not soaking wet. This provides the necessary humidity for the stratification process. Place the wrapped pit in a Ziploc bag. Seal the bag, leaving a small opening for air circulation. This will help maintain the moisture level and prevent mold growth. Store the bag in the refrigerator for 6-8 weeks. The ideal temperature is between 35 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 to 7 degrees Celsius. This chilling period is crucial for successful germination. Remember to check the paper towel regularly and ensure it remains moist. If it dries out, lightly dampen it again. Maintaining consistent moisture is key during cold stratification. After its winter nap, your peach pit is ready to be planted. Choose a pot that is at least 6 inches in diameter with good drainage holes. Proper drainage is essential to prevent root rot. Use a well-draining potting mix. A mix designed for seedlings or fruit trees is ideal. Avoid using garden soil as it can be too heavy and compact. Plant the seed 1-2 inches deep in the potting mix. Cover the seed gently with soil and lightly pat it down. Don't pack the soil too tightly. Water the soil thoroughly after planting. Ensure the water drains freely from the bottom of the pot. This helps settle the soil and provides the seed with the initial moisture it needs. Now, find a sunny spot for your pot. Peach seeds need plenty of sunlight to germinate and grow. A south-facing window is often a good choice. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Check the soil moisture regularly by sticking your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, water it. Germination can take several weeks, so be patient. Don't be discouraged if you don't see anything happening right away. It takes time for the seed to sprout. Patience is key in this process. It can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months for the seed to germinate. Just keep providing the right conditions, and you'll be rewarded. Once your seedling has developed a few sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant it. You can either transplant it to a larger pot or directly into the ground, depending on your climate and space. If transplanting to the ground, choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Peach trees need at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day. Amend the soil with compost or other organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. Dig a hole that is twice as wide and as deep as the root ball. Gently remove the seedling from its pot and place it in the hole. Backfill with soil and water thoroughly. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods. Peach trees need consistent moisture to thrive. Water deeply and less frequently, rather than shallowly and often. Annual fertilization with a balanced fertilizer will help your tree grow strong and produce delicious fruit. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package for application rates. A fertilizer formulated for fruit trees is ideal. Pruning is also important for maintaining the shape and health of your peach tree. Prune in late winter or early spring to remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches. This will improve air circulation and sunlight penetration. Keep in mind that fruit from a tree grown from seed may not be identical to the parent tree. This is because peach trees are often hybrids. The fruit may have different characteristics, such as size, color, or taste. It can take several years for a peach tree grown from seed to bear fruit. Be prepared to wait patiently for your first harvest. It typically takes 3-5 years for a seedling to produce fruit. Grafting can help ensure the tree produces fruit identical to the parent tree and can also shorten the time to fruiting. This involves attaching a branch from a known variety onto your seedling. Growing a peach tree from seed is a rewarding journey. Watching your tree grow from a tiny pit to a mature fruit-bearing tree is an incredibly fulfilling experience. Enjoy the process. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn along the way. Gardening is a journey of discovery, and there's always something new to learn. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? Growing your own peach tree from seed is a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own delicious peaches. Don't wait any longer. Grab a ripe peach, enjoy the fruit, and start the process today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.